Hi everyone, welcome to Bikini Design Club. In this short video, I will be showing you, and you can use your pause button to explore and read carefully all the details, but this is the information that you need about fabrics and about where you can buy fabrics to make your bra. So the first thing I want to explain you is that you have fabrics and then you have specific fabrics for different pattern pieces. So I've created this board where you can see the name of the pattern piece and then its use, and of course the name of the fabrics that we recommend that you use for that pattern piece, and a little bit of a description of the characteristics of each fabric. So you can explore this and decide some things you can decide because it's up to your personal taste. And then I have a list of stores, which some are in Europe and some are in the US. So you can choose your favorite store. All of them or most of them sell all the supplies you need. So I've told you about the fabrics, but of course you need a lot of notions, rings, sliders, elastics, etc. But that you can explore while you watch the videos that we have on our YouTube channel on the playlist for the Snow Flake. And when we show you on the sew alongs, we will talk about the supplies that we are using, so you can also see that there. You also have the option, at least at 𝗬𝗲𝗀, to buy some kits, which already include all the pieces that you need to make a bra. So you don't need to combine every piece together, which is easier if you are a beginner. And that's it for today, girls. I hope you enjoy this playlist for Snowflake and start sewing underwires. Bye!